6 people arrested under Operation Lone Star have had their cases dismissed by a South Texas judge. He agreed with defense attorneys who said their clients were discriminated against due to their sex. KHOU 11 News political reporter Gerald Harris spoke with the attorneys. He joins us now live with more. Gerald?
Under Operation Lone Star, 4,000 people, all men, have been charged with criminal and arrested with criminal trespassing, despite women and children being in the same circumstances as the men that are jailed. Attorneys with the Lubbock Private Defender's Office, designated to provide legal counsel to those arrested under Operation Lone Star, appealed to State District Judge Jose Lopez, claiming the state of Texas is violating the rights of migrants by selectively prosecuting men over women.
We raised a challenge under the Equal Protection Clause of the Constitution, arguing that this selective prosecution is unconstitutional, that the state is engaging in sex discrimination. And Judge Lopez agreed.
Judge Lopez did not write out his reasoning in dismissing the charges against the 6 migrants. Lawyers representing migrants also argued the state denied defendants their rights to a trial by facilitating removals without the ability for the migrants to return to the U.S.
The second argument we raised was related to the fact that all of our clients that we had before Judge Lopez had been deported. So they are not in the county, they're not in the state, they're not even in the country anymore. They had been deported.
The government argued they do not have the facilities in place to house women, despite spending billions on Operation Lone Star. And Texas also argued the federal government was deporting migrants and the individuals could have other avenues to get back to the states.
What we've seen in Operation Lone Star is that a lot of these processes are not being honored. Things are not occurring the way that state law or the Constitution expects for them to. And when that happens, there needs to be consequences.
Operation Lone Star is a target of a federal civil rights inquiry, and the Operation Lone Star has cost taxpayers north of $3 billion. I did reach out to Governor Greg Abbott's office late this afternoon for a response, and we'll share that with you as soon as we can.